Welcome to Timely Bills. Today, we're going to show you how to create a family group and share your finances with family. First, open the Timely Bills app on your device. Click on the menu icon in the upper left corner. After that, select Family Group. You'll see two sections, one for creating a new group and another for joining an existing group. To start a new group, tap Share Code, and it will reveal your unique invite code. Share this code with your family by messaging, emailing, or telling them directly. Once your family members accept your invitation using the code you shared, your group will be automatically created. You can then give your group a name and change its image. We've learned how to start a group. Now, let's discuss joining a family group on Timely Bills. First, open the Timely Bills app on your device. Click on the menu icon in the upper left corner. After that, select Family Group. To join an existing group, type the invitation code you got from your family member into the designated space and then click Join. You'll see details about who's in the group on this screen. Now, you'll be asked to select the accounts and transactions you want to share within the group, and then choose the bills you want to share from the list of bills added to the app. If you haven't added any data to the Timely Bills app, these steps will be skipped automatically. You can now review all the data you're sharing within the family group. If you need to edit or change anything, simply go back to the relevant screen. Once you're ready, tap Join to become a member. Now that you've successfully joined the group, log in again to see the group view on your dashboard. Congratulations on learning how to start and join family groups on Timely Bills. In our next video, we'll guide you through creating a family budget.